In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your driver's license to Apple Wallet, a feature that's been highly anticipated and is finally available in select states. This convenient addition means you no longer have to remember to carry your physical ID while having the added security of digital verification. So let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll want to open your Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. This app is something you're likely familiar with for storing things like credit cards or event tickets, but now it can do so much more with your ID. Once you've opened the app, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small plus button. Go ahead and tap on that to proceed. Next, the app will present you with several options. Amongst these, you'll find driver's license or ID. When you select this option, you'll then be prompted to choose your state or region. It's essential to know that this feature is only available if your state supports digital driver's licenses. If your state is supported, you'll be able to move forward with the process. Now comes the scanning stage, which involves using your iPhone's camera to capture the details of your license. You'll need to scan both the front and back of your physical driver's license. This might take a couple of tries to get right, so make sure you have good lighting and that your license is clean and visible. Adjust the iPhone carefully over your license so that the details are clear and readable by the app. Following the scan, Apple will require you to take a quick selfie to verify your identity. This is a crucial step as it ensures that the person registering the ID is indeed the rightful owner. While taking the selfie, Apple will guide you to perform certain head movements. Think of it as a little dance with your phone to confirm that it's really you and not just a static picture. Once you've completed the identity verification, you're nearly there. But there's one more step which requires a bit of patience. Apple will communicate with your state's Department of Motor Vehicles or the relevant ID authority to verify your information. This step might take some time, so don't worry if you don't get approved immediately. Once everything checks out and your state approves your submission, your driver's license or ID will appear in your Apple Wallet. It's a seamless way to keep your ID secure and accessible. By following these steps, you can confidently carry your ID digitally and enjoy the added convenience that comes with it. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tech updates and tutorials.